everyone, welcome back to MTechZudo. Have you ever wondered how data travels from your phone to a server across the world? How a single message, video, or website request moves through the internet so smoothly? Well, behind the scans, it's all because of something called the OSI model. In this video, we will understand what is OSI model is, why it's important and how it actually works. So, what is OSI model? The OSI model stands for Open System Interconnection Model. It was developed by the International Organization for Standardization (ISO) in the 1980s. The main goal was to create a standard framework that defines how data should be transmitted between two devices, regardless of their manufacturer, operating system, or hardware. Think of it as a universal rulebook for communication between computers. Now, why do we need the OSI model? Before the OSI model, computer networks were chaotic. Every company used its own communication method. There was no common language between different systems. OSI solved that by breaking down the communication process into 7 logic layers, where each layer handles a specific function. This makes it easier to understand, troubleshoot, and design networks. So, overview of the 7 layers. The OSI model has 7 layers arranged from bottom to top. First, physical layer deals with actual hardware, cables, and signals. Second, data link layer handles error detection and data framing. Third, network layer responsible for routing and logical addressing like IP address. Fourth, transport layer ensures reliable data delivery using protocols like TCP or UDP. Now, fifth, session layer manages sessions and connections between devices. Sixth, presentation layer translates data formats, handles encryption and compression. And last is application layer interacts directly with user applications like browsers or emails. And this layer uses protocol like HTTP and HTTPS. You can remember the order using this fun line. All people seem to need data processing. Now, how it works? When you send data from one computer to another, it passes through all 7 layers. From application down to physical, and at the receiving end it moves from physical up to application. Each layer adds or removes its own information, a process called encapsulation or de-encapsulation. For example, when you send an email, your message travels through all these layers, gets converted into signals, moves across the network, and finally reassemble at the receiver side. Now, 5. OSI and versus TCP/IP model. You might have also heard about the TCP/IP model, which is a simplified version of the OSI model. The OSI model is a theoretical used to understand concepts, while TCP/IP model is a practical model and actually used in real world networking. So, the OSI model is like the blueprint of networking. It helps us understand how communication happens step by step. So, in the next video, we will explore each of the 7 layers in details with real life examples and animations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MTechZudo for more such tech explainers. Thank you.